Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to make sprite go up and down. So you can go to events, use the when flag click, and the next for the control use the forever and use if. Now use the yes sensings and you can use key space press. So if the up arrow press, go to motions, change by Y to 10 point. So if you play, if you press the up arrow will be moved to up. And to down, you can copy, duplicate the key and change key down arrow, press, change by Y to 10 minus 10 point. You can play again and then press down and up, down and up. So that's it for basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to make sprite go up and down.